Hello friends, today in this video I will discuss about that if you want to learn the English language, if you want to improve your English speaking skills, then you have to listen the videos, listen the news in English language because it is very necessary. If you are a non-native, then you requires a lot of practice and the things that are related to the English language. You have to create your environment according to the English, and if your surrounding is about English learning type, then it will be easy for you to learn the language fastly. But if you don't have any kind of environment around you to learn the English language, you are only person that is willing to learn the language, then you will take much time. But if you are enthusiastic, if you have the devotion, then it will be easy for you to learn the English language. I have seen some people, those are living in the rural areas where they don't find any kind of facilities, even they don't have the internet facilities where they can watch the videos in English language, even though they learn the English language and they are very good in English. Because if you have the passion, if you have the devotion, then it is easy for you. Then you find the resources according to your environment. They find the books, spoken language books, and they make the practice on daily basis. And with the help of that practice, they finally will be able to speak the language a little fluent. As you have seen that there are some students who were very dull in their study period, but in future they get a good position, they become intelligent. And I have also seen some students, those who are in their study periods much intelligent, but in future they lack that intelligence and they do nothing marvelous. And sometimes in some societies there are some people, uneligible people, those succeeded to get the jobs on very high positions. They are not too much intelligent or eligible for that post, but they get the job. The reason is because they were living in democratic countries, and you know that in democratic countries the process of election is through the voting. And when election happens, you support the specific person, and if the person becomes a member of your assembly, then he rewards you, he recommend you to get some kind of jobs. So jobs were not given according to your ability in some countries. Some countries are reforming their laws, and they are providing jobs according to the skills and talent of the people. But still there are so many countries, you can say the underdeveloped countries, where this custom is often that people get job according to their affiliation with some kind of governmental parties. If you are affiliated with the party, winning party, who makes the governments, those make the government, then you will get the job easily. But if you are in the opposition, you voted for those people, those are the loser, then you find the problems, and you will not get any kind of benefit from that government. I think the government should take care of all the citizens when they came into the power. This is the responsibilities of the governments to look after the whole citizens of the state. If they do the discrimination or discriminatory things with the people, with the masses, then this is not good thing, and give the job or other things to the people according to their talent. But there are some mean kind of people those do not support the eligible people. Instead of supporting the eligible people, they support the I think those people who owns the wealth, and they sell their mind with the cheap amount of wealth. When you sell your conscience during the election and you vote on the basis of the wealth, and that no matter that wealth from which means came to that person, but that person should be healthy, that person should have a luxury car, vehicles and bodyguards around him, and you will vote for him. And when you will vote for such kind of person, then how can you get a benefit from that kind of person? That will not take care of you after winning the election. So always whenever you try to choose some members, choose those who are very sympathetic towards the humanity, and who are very kind, and really those want to do something for the betterment of the society. And if you have heard the saying that as the masses, as the leaders, and you make your leaders yourself according to your mentality. What is your mentality? Your leader be of that mentality. And if you ignore the eligible people, able people to go ahead to serve you, then you will be punished by your deeds, because you are not a good selector, and you are selecting those people who are not good for the society, who want to go want to go in the assembly just to take care of their benefits. There are specific kind of benefits, and perhaps they were doing some kind of business, and they want to secure their business by going into the assembly. I think that in democratic countries, if you are living in democratic country, there are some other countries where there is not democracy and kingdom, some different kind of governments. You know, if you have read the political science, you know about this, the political system. But I think whenever in underdeveloped countries where there is democracy, when you get the chance to choose your assembly members, I suggest you always choose those people who wants those people who want to do something for you. If those people are not wealthy, no matter, don't consider the wealth. A wealthy person can lead you. No, it's not good, it's not right, this is the wrong thing. The leader should have the pain in his heart for the masses. If you feel the pain for the public, for the masses, then you are a good person. If you feel the pains of others, whenever you see the people in problems, you feel that this is your problem, then you are a good person. And always try to choose that kind of people. And hope by this lecture I have discussed different things in this video to make you understand, and also you will improve your English by listening such kind of videos. I suggest you that always listen videos in English language of your native speakers, so that your English will be improved, and in this way one day you will be able to speak good English. And for that it is very necessary to make the practice, and practice by reading, by listening, and by some other ways, by doing the practical experience of spoken English. Do the practice with some of your friends, and make the practice on daily basis, not with the intervals. If you make intervals, big intervals, then it will not easy for you to grab on this language. If you want to master the this language, then it is necessary that you do the practice, and slowly and gradually finally you will be able to speak the language. There might be some mistakes, and it's good to make the mistakes. Also, I sometimes make the mistake whenever I, after making the video, watch my video on video, then I find some mistakes. But if there are the petty mistakes, no matter. Let the mistake and try to make the things easy for you by your practice. If you are practicing on daily basis, gradually your all mistakes will be ended, and finally you will be able to speak fluent, very specific, very precise English. Hope you find this video useful. Please, before leaving this video, hit the like button, subscribe button. Right now, allow me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.